up, people? Luch here, coming at you after Christmas with some giddy, exciting news, people. Mrs. Luch, being the awesome wifey that she is, got Luch this for Christmas. What's that, you may ask? Well, this is a 3D printer, which means not only can I print 3Ds, but I can print E's or F's or G's too. But we're going to print something on our little test run here to check it out and see how good it works. And we're going to let you in on it. So let's get to printing, shall we? I'm going to set this thing up and we're going to watch it print. So stay with us, people. This should be fun. Rock on. Okay, people. Now we got this thing all warmed up, we're going to start it in motion. So let's get to it. We'll push a couple buttons here. A button there. We'll go a turn of the knob. Another push. And watch it go, people. Watch it go. Oh, I'm excited. Let's get this going, shall we? Well, that was neat. Let's scrape this thing off and see what we made, shall we? We got a little scraper over here, and we got to carefully scrape up on this thing, and hopefully it'll come right up, and you won't have very little problem. Once it does come up, it's gonna be really neat. Trust me, people. Once I get this thing off, it'll look really cool. Trust me. Stay tuned. As you can see, we've got it now peeled off, and look what we've made, people. A little miniature bust of Darth Vader. Darth Vader! Isn't that cool? Okay, you can make neat little things like this and other things. In fact, you can make almost anything you want to make with this little JG Maker 3D printer, people. It's pretty neat. So stay tuned for more neat projects that we're going to come at you very soon. So stay tuned for more. Rock on, people. Luch Bob.